YouTube, what's the scene? It's your boy Chef back with another POV. Shit, y'all already know what's going on, man. As you can see from the title, you see what we're doing today. Let me give y'all boys a cold start.
Your remaining range is very low. Should I search for gas stations in the surrounding area?
No. Fucking planes and shit coming down here. She talking, y'all. She talking. Show y'all what's going on. Alright, boys, as you can see, we gotta go get us some fucking gas, cause you know, we never got no fucking gas. This is why sometimes I'll be missing the Honda, man. If you know me, y'all know I'm really a Honda nigga for real. And this is exactly why. The gas. Yeah, we about to get on the highway here. Shit, hopefully now we make it to gas station. 26 miles. Man, we fucking good, yo. Make it to a little gas station. Alright, boys. Yo, damn, yo, I wanted to get on the highway, but I see fucking traffic on that shit. What the fuck is going on? What y'all think, boys? I should still get on that shit? I don't even know. These niggas look like they getting off. I don't know. What the fuck is really going on? Nah, I'm getting on this shit. Fuck it. Nah, what the fuck? Bro. What's going on? Nah, we on it though. Fuck it. Fuck what they talking about. Nigga, they got everybody squishing into one lane? This is ridiculous. This is what I'm talking about, bro. This New York shit, bro. You cannot make this up. Everybody squeezed into one lane on a 3-lane highway, bro. Cannot make this shit up for real. Yo, and as y'all can see, I got a lighter windshield tint for y'all. Cause I had 5% all around, but every time I try to make a video, hold on. These cars was really made to beat on. That's crazy. Like, you could really beat on this shit. Shout out to BMW, man. Yo, let me put the... Shout out to BMW, man. They really made a strong car, man. Niggas is out here drifting and shit, spinning and shit, burnouts, all kind of shit. Getting on the highway, just doing a buck, just to do a buck. You know what I'm saying? Every day. Nah, man. BMW really did their thing with this car, man. I ain't gonna lie. Oh my God, bro. Fucking road got me bouncing and shit. Oh my God, she farting. For a stock car, man, she out here farting. Watch this dude right here, man. Cause he bullshitting. Look, he flashing. Who he flashing? The nigga who trying to get over? Oh shit, I gotta get off. I'm tripping. I'm dead tripping. She farting though. Shit, she farting though. Gotta be careful here. Normally cops be camping in this shit right here. Right there in that corner, they be camping. You gotta be careful here. Alright, let's see what's going on here, man. Got some gas in the grill here, man. Cause you know, ain't no gas in this shit. Oh shit, we rolling back. I bet. We valid right here. We fall? Nah, we valid right here. Alright, y'all, so I think we gotta go to a next pump, cause shit, that shit not fucking trying to take the Apple Pay. So we gonna try to hit one of these bad boys over here. See if one of these shits will work. I don't know why this shit moving funny, man. Let me see. Nah, that one don't look right either. Alright, let's do this one right here. Let's see if this shit'll work. Cause I don't know. That shit not even, oh, it is beeping. I don't know, let's see. I don't know why this shit acting like that, yo. Like my money, not good money. Alright, right here should be valid. We gonna see, we gonna see. Alright, boys. So, nigga, my fucking Ed was already unlocked. I'm stupid. Alright, boys, so fucking this one worked. So y'all about to sit here and see how much it take to fill this shit up. Alright, so we got a little gas in her. I try to fill her up, but I don't know. These pumps is moving mad stupid tonight. Nigga, I don't know what the fuck is going on. It is what it is, bro. I'll just use that for now before I hit a different, go to a different gas station in the morning or some shit. But yeah, man, back to the vid though. Sheesh. Make sure I got everything. Always make sure you got everything and shit. Yeah, alright, we out of here. Back on the fucking highway, man. Oh, this fucking curve is crazy big. Pause, but damn, nigga. This nigga right. Oh, shit. Oh my God. Did I hit the camera? I hope I didn't fuck it up. That's how I did that shit last time, boy. I hit the camera. Whole angle got fucked up. Nah, I should be out here. Let me fix myself up. Let me fix myself up. Yup. There we go. Bang. Fuck wrong with them. Shock him, shock him, shock him, shock him. Shock him, shock him. Oh my God. Will they ever fix the roads here? No. Every video I'm gonna keep complaining about the roads till they fix the roads. Oh my God. Why is she picking up like that? A little pocket rocket. Hold on. Do your thing, little shit. Do your thing, little shit. A little downshift. Yo, man, for a stock car, man. Yo. Shit. She get up there, man. Fuck what they talking about. This is a pretty good daily, man. So this is a fun little daily right here. Like, how can you not have fun with this shit? This shit is fast, manual, rear wheel drive, so you go fuck around, spin this shit. Like, what the fuck? Oh yeah. Like, how the fuck can you be mad at this shit? Why the fuck is he braking? He got some inches before that brother could brake. Jesus Christ. Yo, everybody just want to brake whole day, boy. Fuck, man. That nigga just braking just to brake. Jesus Christ. He wanna act like he driving somewhere. This guy's a joke, son. Fucking joke thing. Now we're making this. Whee! Shit almost kicked me back in the seat, boy. Fuck you mean? Look at this brother here. He about to shoot as soon as his light turns. Yeah, I'm out of here. Oh, he slept. Oh yeah, he know I gotta take him now. Yeah, I had to do it to him. Yeah, man, I had to do it to him. I'm sorry. Seen the dudes parked up, had the beams on. You know, I had to really hit him with the little 1-2 scunt. Alright, boys and gals. That'll be it for the video. Just a little, it was just a little something, nothing crazy. But yeah, that's about it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that good shit. You know the vibes, man. You know what we doing, man? We going up to the moon with this shit. Road to 1K. Road to 1K. I appreciate all the love and support, y'all. Thank you.